What's going on, guys? Hey, if you love finding out about useful hidden applications, then you should stick around because all the apps on this list are amazing. Typing is something we all do every day, but most of us have no real idea how fast or accurate we actually are. That is where this application called TypeMobo comes in, and it's a typing practice application. So if you type slow on your phone or want to improve instead of poking at each key every time, you can use this application's practice stages for that, with clear words per minute breakdowns that actually help you improve. Plus, you can track progress, view your average accuracy, speed, and more. The app also has a competition side to it, so you can jump into live typing races against people from all around the world or form teams to climb global leaderboards. And of course, it supports other languages including Hindi, Spanish, so there is that. It is actually a pretty fun but useful application. If you've ever lost track of a great Instagram post, reel, or story, this is a simple tool called Instarchive, and it's exactly what you need. Unless you are using some kind of mod version of Instagram, there is no save to gallery option on the original Instagram application. So instead of relying on bookmarks, everything is downloaded straight to your device with this app. And it's not just for photos, it handles everything: photos, videos, reels, highlights, and even stories from private accounts, as long as you can view them. Even if a post has multiple slides, all can be downloaded at once, again whether video or audio, and at max quality as well. Once you share the post to the application, it first saves it at archive, and then you have the download button to save it to your phone. Best part, the post is archived in the application, so you can come back to it anytime and re-download the media. I'm sure you've come across image editing applications containing several tools before, and those applications are real lifesavers. And to add to them is this application called Image Resizer. It is basically a full-featured photo studio plugged into your Android phone. Sure, you can shrink and resize images with ease, crop your photos into any shape, and fine-tune the alignment with quick rotate and flip tools. Go to compression or conversion. You can easily convert between JPEG, PNG, and BMP, and if you are dealing with folders full of photos, the batch resize and conversion features can save you hours. It also packs advanced features like OCR to extract text from images and images to PDF. It even lets you remove background images cleanly and swap in a new one. Perfect for product shots, profile photos, or creative edits. And all of this is built into a clean, easy-to-use interface that makes advanced editing very easy. Best part, it is free, with no ads or in-app purchases. Still on images, how about an application with a sole functionality of upscaling photos, making old blurry photos look polished in high resolution? Whether it's an old family picture, anime wallpapers, or even Ghibli-style art, this app called Adima does the job brilliantly. The app brings powerful AI image enhancements straight to your Android, fully offline. Everything happens securely on your device. It is not just stretching your images, it is actually reconstructing them with smart, detail-filling algorithms. You can upscale photos all the way to crisp 4K resolution. It sharpens and restores photos, and the difference can really be seen. Plus, it can work on any budget phone or any type of phone for that matter. The app is optimized for that. So check it out. It is a free, simple tool that works pretty well, turning low-res images into spectacular high-res images. Sometimes unlocking your phone feels automatic. You open an application, start scrolling, and halfway through you wonder why you even tapped on it. This application called App Pause is designed to break that cycle gently and effectively. So instead of harsh lockouts or annoying timers, the app introduces a thoughtful pause before you launch into those habit-forming applications. It gives you a customizable waiting screen that helps you stop for a moment, breathe, and decide, do I really need to open this application right now? So it's just a smart interruption to help you regain control. In the app, you can choose the applications to monitor, configure the waiting period, and one thing I love about this application is the grace period, which allows you to use a blacklisted application for a moment and then you'll get a nudge to hop off. Here you can enable a floating timer to count down the grace period duration, and of course you can adjust the duration as well. So if you've been trying to cut down your screen time, stay focused at work, or simply use your phone more intentionally, check out this application. If you've ever worried about someone snooping through your phone or worse, trying to steal it, CrookCatcher flips that fear on its head and turns your device into a personal security trap. It works by quietly snapping a photo whenever someone enters a wrong password, PIN, or pattern, and then instantly emails you that photo along with GPS location and estimated address. That is if you allow location access. You basically get a full detective file on whoever is trying to mess with your phone. And on this list, this is the only popular application with over 5 million downloads from the Google Play Store. Actually, it's been protecting phones since 2014, with more than 500 million intruder photos captured globally. So it's actually a proven system, and the free version alone gives you a strong, basic protection without draining your battery. And the Pro version is where it really shines. We are talking full video capture with sound, the ability to switch to rear camera for more context, the automatic uploads to Google Drive so you've always got a backup of the evidence, video capture and a lot more. And the emailing thing really works. I tested it and the emails just kept coming. Plus, it also keeps photo captures in the application. If you're tired of watching the same recycled recommendations online, this app called Random Video is exactly the shaker for your streaming habits. So instead of endless trending lists or recycled suggestions you are used to on YouTube, you get actually randomness. You just type in a keyword and the app pulls a completely random video from that massive archive. And it's not just about watching different stuff, it is also about rediscovering forgotten content the algorithm buried years ago. And of course, there are some hidden gems you'll definitely rediscover. You can even customize the results like date range and duration, and it goes beyond videos. You can even pick random channels using keywords, helping you stumble upon entirely new creators you probably wouldn't find on your own. And if you've subscribed to a channel years ago and hardly watch videos from it, this app lets you pick a random channel you already subscribed to, opening it directly on YouTube. Same for playlists. Plus, it keeps track of your randomness with a full history. Seriously, with this application, you are going to find some awesome stuff. Social media has been all about perfection for too long, but with this application called Havoca, it flips the script in the best possible way. Forget filters, angles, or caring about how many likes you get. The app has a collection of photos that would normally never make it online. You can see a bunch of weird, imperfect photos when you scroll. The app is designed for the unfiltered, the chaotic beauty of everyday life. So it's basically the anti-Instagram, raw, messy, and fun without the pressure of curating your life like an art exhibit. You know how Instagram is. And here, the more awkward, cursed, and bizarre, the better. So if you have images you think do not fit the vibe of regular social feeds, well, this application wants it. You can post it, get comments, maybe upvotes like on Reddit if anyone sees it at all. But the whole concept kinda takes you off the glitter to something weirdly different. You know what? Just ignore it. Moving on, with this application called Fake Out, you are a high percentage sure you're not falling into a trap. Whether it's a sketchy WhatsApp forward, a viral social media claim, or an image that just doesn't look right. Fake Out is your shortcut to the truth, especially on images. The app can detect images created with AI or simply fake ones. So let's say someone sends you an image which you are doubtful on, you can just load it into this application. The app analyzes it and determines whether it was made with AI or not. Even with text, articles, and more, all you need to do is type in a few keywords and it instantly pulls verified fact checks from over 100 trusted global sources. And it works fast, it doesn't flood you with ads, and never tracks your data. So for a student verifying sources for a project, or a parent helping family avoid fake WhatsApp rumors, or just someone who doesn't want to be the person spreading misinformation online, you need to check out this application. And then we have Roomie. This app is very innovative and adds up to productivity. Let's say you are living with someone, whether it's a partner, a roommate, or your best friend, can even be more than 2 people. Using this application, you can organize chores, schedule events, make shopping lists, or add notes for each day. So if it's a duty, there is no guesswork on who didn't do it or who should do it. With this app, you can easily track assigned chores or shared events on a unified calendar. You just create a family, generate a code. Once everyone has the app installed on their phones, you share the code with them through any means, and then they can join the family with the code on their phone. So everyone will know who has to do what each day and when you are going out for an event or even what things to buy. It is a super awesome and easy to use application. You can even revisit past schedules, create chores or events in advance. Seriously, kudos to the developer. It is a brilliant idea for an application. And it is free, no ads, and awesome design as well. Almost all the applications on this list aren't well known but are super incredible, so consider subscribing to the channel for my efforts. Also, let me know which of them you are interested to try out. Leave a like on the video, and as always, thank you for watching.